I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of Analyst IAS. हमारा आज का टॉपिक है फोकस ऑफ द डे का बायो कंप्यूटर्स. सो वी विल सी व्हाई इन न्यूज बायो कंप्यूटर्स किसे कहते हैं, ये किस टाइप से वर्क करते हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है इनके लिए आगे फ्यूचर में, देन इनके यूजेस क्या हो सकते हैं. देन इसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि कंसर्न्स क्या हैं बायो कंप्यूटर को लेकर, व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशंस. आफ्टर दैट इस टॉपिक पर वी विल सॉल्व 2 प्रीलिम्स प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. So why in news? Recently, the scientists have outlined a plan for a potentially revolutionary new area of research called organoid intelligence, which aims to create biocomputers where 3D brain clusters grown in the lab are coupled to real-world sensors and input-output devices. Technology is expected to harness the processing power of the human brain and understand the biological basis of human cognition, learning and various neurological disorders. Then what is biocomputer? The JHU researchers, this is the name of the university, scheme will combine brain organoids with modern computing methods to create biocomputers. JHU is the organization. These mini brains, remember these are the mini brains with a size up to 4 millimeter, are built using human stem cells and capture many structural and functional features of a developing human brain. These structures will be able to record firing patterns of the neurons and also deliver electrical stimuli to mimic sensory stimuli. The response pattern of the neurons and their effect on human behavior or biology will then be analyzed by machine learning techniques. So this is all about the biocomputer. Here you can see this is the brain organoid in between. This is the brain organoid. Here is the probe. These are the inputs like electrical signals, optogenetics, chemical perfusion. So and here are some complex biological inputs as well, like there can be retinal organoids or multi-brain organoids. And this would be your mini brain. It will have outputs like electrophysiology recording, fluorescence and other things. So these are the outputs. This is what a mini brain is or biological computer is. Now however, brain organoids developed in the lab are not advanced enough as they lack required sensory inputs and blood circulation that are necessary for development of a complex organ like a human brain. Moreover, scientists transplanted human brain organoid clusters into rat brains and observed that they formed connections with the rat brain and showed functional activity. तो उनको जब एक चूहे के दिमाग में डाला गया तो वहां पे उन्होंने कनेक्शंस दिखाए और फंक्शनल एक्टिविटी भी हुई. This system could provide a way to study brain diseases in human context. Yes, it can be. However, the organoids are still in the rat brain microenvironment, which may not be representative of human brain. How will it work? They have planned to couple the organoids with machine learning by growing the organoids inside flexible structures affixed with multiple electrodes, similar to the one used to take EEG readings from the brain. These structures will be able to record firing patterns of neurons and also deliver electrical stimuli to mimic the sensory stimuli. So this is how it will work. What are the opportunities for the biocomputers? Brain organoids developed using stem cells from individuals with disease like Parkinson's disease and microcephaly can aid drug development for these conditions. Brain organoids can also be developed using stem cells from individuals and neurodegenerative diseases or cognitive disorders. Comparing data on the brain structure, connections and signaling between healthy and patient-derived organoids can reveal the biological basis of human cognition, learning and memory. While human brains are slower than the computers, say simple arithmetic, they outshine the machines at processing complex information as well. What are the uses? What can be the uses? These biocomputers like human brains can be used for complex information processing. These organoids can reveal the biological basis of human cognition, learning and memory. They can help in drug development and in decoding pathology of degenerative diseases such as Parkinson's disease and microcephaly. What are the drawbacks? Currently, the brain organoids have diameter of less than 1 millimeter and have fewer than Malak cells, both on average, which make it roughly 3 millionth the size of an actual human brain. So scaling up the brain organoid is key to improving its computing capacity as well incorporating non-neural cells involved in biological learning. Second drawback is the researchers will also have to develop microfluid systems to transport oxygen and nutrients and remove waste products from it. These two are the hurdles or challenges. These hybrid systems will generate very large amount of data which researchers will need to store and analyze using big data infrastructure. They will also need to develop and use advanced analytical techniques to correlate the structure and functional changes in the brain organoids to various output variables. What are the limitations? However, human brain also require various sensory inputs such as we need touch, smell, vision to develop into complex organ. It is the brain organoids developed in the lab aren't sophisticated enough to do that. The organoids currently also don't have blood circulation, which limits how they grow. Now we will discuss our prelims practice question first. Brain organoids recently mentioned in the news are modified brain cells made from human stem cells, can process big data, a recent discovered brain eating bacteria. This is from, so basically the correct answer is second, these are made from human stem cells. Now question number second, which of the following statements is correct regarding the mini brains? They can store up to a large amount of data, they can replace human intelligence, they can be helpful in curing certain human diseases, they are ready to be commercialized. You can type the correct answer in the comment section given below. This was all about today's video and session. Stay tuned with ANALYST IAS for your better preparation. Have a great day.